So check this out. This is something for those who want to have a little cleanup and make things sweeping a lot easier. This is the stand-alone dustpan right here. It has a nice little lip on the front of it so you can sweep your mess, sawdust, whatever you've got from the driveway. You can sweep it up. It has a very large hopper capacity, so it's going to be able to handle a lot of stuff. And it's very, very well built that it's going to be able to handle the weight, because you just put a foot in there and it's going to be able to handle that heavy load time and time again. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out, but this is a neat idea for those who don't want to have to stoop down to sweep. You just sweep things in, pick it up, and go dump it in a garbage can. You can also find more information out at standalonedustpans.com, and again, the link will be in the description below.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.